So today I'll be showing you how to make biryani. Recipe, you would need 3 pounds of chicken or meat of your choice, 1½ finely sliced onion, paste of 4 tomatoes, 2 to 4 small green chilies thinly sliced, 5 green cardamom, 2 to 3 black cardamom, 12 to 15 black peppercorn, 2 teaspoons cumin seeds, 2 to 3 star anise, small piece of cinnamon stick, 1/4 teaspoon salt for chicken, and then 1½ salt for rice, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, 1 tablespoon ginger paste, 1½ teaspoon red chili powder, 2 teaspoons coriander powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 cup plain yogurt, 1 bunch of finely chopped cilantro, 1 lemon thinly sliced, 3/4 cup of oil. In a large pot, heat oil and add onion and fry on medium heat until golden brown. Add ginger and garlic paste and fry for 1 minute on medium to low heat. Add chicken and fry for 5 to 7 minutes on medium to high heat. Add all powder and whole spices and tomato paste. Then cook for 12 to 15 minutes until oil is separated. When oil is separated, add yogurt and cook some more. Turn off the heat and add some green chilies and some cilantro and mix well. To boil the rice, add 12 to 14 cups of water and 1½ to 2 teaspoons salt. When the water comes to boil, add rice, 1 teaspoon cumin, and boil on high heat until rice is cooked. When the rice is cooked, drain the water. Layer the rice and meat. Layer the rice and meat. If you would like, add food color on top of a layer of rice or use saffron. Do not mix everything together. Now you will heat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and cook rice in oven for 15 to 20 minutes. Then turn off the oven but leave the pan inside for 15 to 20 minutes. You can enjoy this recipe with Bondi Rita. To find the recipe, check the description box below. I know that you enjoyed this video because you are still watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new, hit the subscribe button to motivate us to post more delicious and flavorful recipes. Until next time, bye-bye now.